Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review wear test on the new NARS Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation. And I picked mine up in the shade Medium Dark Marquise, Medium 5. It was hard to pick the shades for these because I picked up the Natural Radiance, the Sheer Glow also, and I had to pick up a whole different shade for that one, because I don't know what's up with these shades. And they run a little yellow. I thought I was the color Macau, but I'm not. I had to send those back. So I picked up the color Marquise, Dark 5. I'm going to run out to my son's school later, and I'm going to wear it while I'm there. It's gonna be hot. We got a, what is that mess called? A back to school night. So I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna do anything crazy to my face, my eyes. I'm just gonna do something simple. Maybe just add some bronzer to my eyes. I'm just using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, Pore Minimizer. My pores is looking crazy lately. I don't know what the heck, but my pores is looking crazy. If you guys know of anything that helps with pore minimizing, and if you tried the Becca Poreless Perfector, whatever that is, let me know. Or the little baby skin one for pores, let me know how that works. And I just recorded 2 other videos. I have gel in my hair, so that's why it's doing this. Let me wipe that down. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a wear test on this foundation while I'm gone today, and then I'm going to come back with the why I'm gone. I'm going to come back and check in with you guys and let you know how it wore, and I'm not going to blot or anything, and let you know how it turned out. So I'm going to go back over this, blend this out. And then I use the the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer on my nose area. So I'm going to go over that powder. I'm going to go over my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Medium Deep to set my face. I just realized I didn't wet my sponge. I'm just setting my primer. I've seen a lot of reviews on this foundation, and a lot of people said they liked it. So I'm going to give it a try, but if I don't like it, or if it's not my shade, or if it doesn't match well enough, I'm going to take it back and exchange it for a different shade. Let me know in the comment box if you tried this foundation already, and how you liked it, and what shade you picked up. Already concealed my eyes with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in a Monday. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of the foundation on the back of my hand. It's kind of watery. This shade says that it's it had yellow undertones. So I'm gonna do half my face first. Matter of fact, I should have color corrected. It seems like it's alright color, but I don't know if I like how this is going in with this sponge. It seems like it dries quickly. Yeah, it's coming on patchy. So I'm just going to get a foundation brush. And it doesn't really have that much coverage either. So I'm going to put it on with the sponge. And then go back and blend it out with the brush. And I feel like I'm going to need more than 2 pumps. 2 pumps don't get you anywhere with this foundation. Wow. I used the, what foundation was that? I used the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 440. I was able to do my whole face with just 2 pumps of foundation. I'm going to dab more around my mouth in the spots that get darker on my face. go back with my brush and blend it out. I'm gonna let the foundation on my lips sit a little bit longer. It seemed like the color matches well. The other one I have is a little bit darker. It's hard to blend with my right hand. I'm not right-handed. But it's blending out well with this brush. The foundation's supposed to be, how much coverage is this? Because it don't seem like it's a full coverage. It's like a, I feel like it's normal to medium coverage. And it dries quickly. Dang. Yeah, it dries quickly. Yeah, it isn't covered none of this. Is like light coverage, honestly. Like normal coverage. I put 2 pumps on and it's still, my whole face is still, I can see everything on my face. That's crazy. I mean, I know it's natural radiance, so maybe that's why it's see-through like that. But I'm gonna add a little bit more to my face. Gotta make sure you get your neck, your ears. Okay, that's a little bit better. I think I'm gonna have to color correct on my lip. But it blends as well with this brush. I gotta hurry up. It always get blotchy on my forehead because I wear gel and I always do my hair before I do my makeup. And I always think that I got it all off, all the gel around my hairline. I'm gonna go back and fix it. Let's go back and add some foundation right there. Okay, that's better. This looks, the coverage is nice. It blends well. And I noticed I don't like really matte primers anymore. I thought I did, but it dries out your face too much after you put all the different powders and crap on your face. It just dries it out. I'm gonna use my sponge that's damp and go around my hairline. It honestly matches well because I picked my shade myself. I went through all of them and made sure that the description was, it had yellow undertones. And it's still blotchy. What the hell? Ugh, this is driving me crazy. But anyways, this happens all the time. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. But I'm just putting it back where I have darker pigment on my face. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to finish the rest of my look. And I'm going to be back. So we have to be there around 6 to 7 o'clock maybe. It's around 3 right now. So I'm going to come back around maybe 8 or 9 or so like that. And I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm not a person to wear foundation for 1,000 hours, so hopefully it wears all right. I'm just gonna conceal the top of my lip really quick. This is a Monday. I need Cafe. I also picked up Cafe, a new one, and I picked up the color. I think this is Hazelnut. I seen these in Jackie Aina and Ashley Hadid's YouTube channel. I'm gonna use the color Hazelnut. Really close to Cafe. And I'm gonna also put some under my eyes. Alright, I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna put some, the color, where is Amande? I have so many of the same concealers, it's crazy. This is Amande. I'm gonna blend all this in. I'm gonna let this sit for a second. I'm gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come back with my final look. I'm gonna come back with my final look later and my finished results. All right, you guys, this is my final look. I'm going to do my wear test, and then I'm going to be back, and then I'm gonna let you know how it wore. And if it creased anywhere, I'll make sure I powdered under my eyes, set everything, and I will be back to check in to let you know how it looks. All right, everyone, this is my 4-hour check-in, and let's see how we're looking. So, I haven't blotted or anything. We don't have any, we have some oil breaking up down here. Nothing really on my nose. I have a little bit of smile line on this side. My mustache. But other than that, it's just natural, dewy. And I really love this foundation. I changed my lip color. I'm wearing the, what is this one called? It is the liquid lipstick by, it's my Ray Ray collection by BH Cosmetics. And just a chocolate brown lip liner from Sephora. But other than that, I love this look. I love how my skin has set in. The foundation, my natural oils are popping out, and it looks really well. I like it. Well, this is my final look. My result and my review on this foundation. I love how it looks. I can't wait to wear it again. I'm happy I picked the shade that I did, and it has not oxidized or anything. It looks great. All right. That's my final look, my final results.